Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about crop rotation, mixed cropping, irrigation, necessity of irrigation and factors affecting irrigation. Now, let us learn more about irrigation. In our country, irrigation facilities are limited. 50% of the land depends on the monsoon. The major part of the rainwater runs off to the sea. If this water is collected in storage reservoirs, tanks, we can use this water for irrigation purpose during dry season. Sources of irrigation. Water can be obtained from many sources such as wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, dams and canals. Methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation can be classified into two. They are traditional method, modern method. The various traditional methods are swinging basket, moat or pulley system, water wheels method, chain pump, dhekli, rahat or lever system. Modern methods are of two types, sprinkler system, drip system. Traditional method. In traditional method, the water available in wells, ponds, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking it to the field. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. These methods are cheaper but less efficient. Pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is used to run these pumps. Let us see more about different types of traditional methods one by one. Swinging basket. In the swinging basket method, water is lifted up by means of a basket from low channels which are by the side of the field. Basket is made of a cheap material like leather or tin. The basket is slung by ropes on both sides. Two persons hold the ropes of ends and dip the basket in the water channel. Then swing is given to the basket so that the basket full of water tilts over the water course and discharges water in the water course. This system is useful up to 75 centimeters. If the lift is more, the same method is used in stages. In such cases, in between the source of water and water course, temporary ponds are constructed. It is costly, but in hilly areas, one has to adapt this method. Next, moat or pulley system. In this system, water is drawn out from a well by using a big container. This container is tied to a long rope which moves over a pulley fixed at one edge of the well. When rope is pulled at the free end, the container filled with water comes off the well. Then the farmer pours out this water into the field. Next, water wheel method. In this method, water was provided by using water raising wheels driven by the force of current in the river from which water was being raised. Water wheel consists of a wheel with a number of buckets arranged on the outside rim forming the driving car. Chain pump. Chain pump is an arrangement to lift water from the source of water like streams, lakes, ponds to provide water in the field. A chain pump consists of two large wheels. One is fixed at the lower level of the water source and the other fixed at the higher level above the fields. The two wheels are connected by a chain passing over them. On the chain are huge small buckets. The bottom wheel is the source of water from which the water is to be lifted up to the fields. Dhekli. Dhekli means lever beam of well. In Dhekli, a long wooden beam is supported over a forked vertical support fixed in the ground near the well. Its longer arm is towards the well and shorter arm away from it. A bucket is tied to its longer arm with a rope which hangs over the mouth of the well. A weight is tied to the end of the shorter arm. To lift the water from the well, the bucket is pulled down by the rope into the well. It gets filled with water on releasing the rope. Shorter arm comes down. It lifts the water filled bucket out of the well. The farmer gets holds of the bucket, tilts it, and pours out its water into the field. Rahat or lever system. In Rahat, water is drawn out from a well. There is a large wheel fixed on an axle above the mouth of the well. A long belt with many small metal parts is put over the big wheel, which can move over the wheel when the wheel turns. The lower end of the long belt of parts dip in the water of the well. The big wheel is turned by using a lever system driven by the force of animals. When the animals move the long horizontal handle of the lever system by going round and round, the big wheel fixed over the mouth of the well starts rotating. When the wheel rotates, the water filled parts come out of the well one after the other, go over the wheel, come down, pour water in a channel, get emptied, and go down again into the well to bring more water. Modern methods. The modern methods of irrigation helps us to use water economically. The two main modern methods of irrigation are sprinkler system, drip system. Sprinkler system. This system is very useful on uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for sandy soil. Drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in regions where availability of water is less. In drip irrigation system, there is a network of narrow pipes with small holes in the field. When water flows through the narrow pipes, it falls drop by drop at the position of roots of the plants. This water is absorbed by the soil in the root zone of the plants and utilized by the plants.